Why should you join ProTalent for law entrance examination? My dear students, joining ProTalent Digital for law entrance preparation can provide you several benefits to help you achieve your goal. The first, ProTalent Digital offers comprehensive and up-to-date study material that covers all necessary topics for law entrance examination. This will help you to stay on the top of the latest trends, insights, and research to increase your chances of success. Second, ProTalent Digital has experienced and knowledgeable teachers who can provide guidance, support throughout your preparation. They will be able to answer your questions, provide feedback, and help you overcome any challenges you may face. Third, ProTalent Digital provides regular mock tests and assessments to help you identify your strengths and weaknesses and to track your progress. This will help you to stay focused, motivated, and increase your chances of success. Number 4, ProTalent Digital also offers online classes that will allow you to study from the comfort of your home. This will help you to save time and effort and also make it easier for you to manage your other commitments like board. In conclusion, joining ProTalent Digital for law entrance preparation can provide a comprehensive and effective way to prepare for your law entrance examination like CLAT with the guidance and support of experienced teachers and flexibility of online classes. So, come and join the course for CLAT 2024 only at ProTalent Digital.